What's up, guys? My name is Christian, and today we're going to be installing some door welcome lights on my M4. These are the ones that go right here when you open the car. I'm going to show you mine right now. It's all busted. It doesn't even show anything. But I've never done this before, so we're going to go through it together. And if you see that it's the same outfit as the last video, it's because it is. It's literally the same day that I'm shooting this video. So let's get to it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, these are the welcome lights or the door lights. It's just cracked. Like, it doesn't show anything. It doesn't say anything. So we're gonna change that. We're gonna do it on both sides. Again, this is for F82 M4. My wife got this for me as a gift for Christmas, along with the toolbox that I unboxed in the last video. But I don't even know what this says, so we'll find out. This is the packaging that it comes with. Let's see what it comes with. Comes with a flathead screwdriver. It comes with the lights and some instructions, I guess. Oh, it should be fairly easy. So I'm gonna try to do this with just one hand, but let's go. First, I thought I was supposed to remove the metal parts, but I guess not, because there's the plug right there or the socket right there. And it's actually labeled too. I'm not going to walk you guys step by step on how to do this because there's a ton of videos. So actually, I'm just going to show you guys what I'm doing. All right, I'm going to grab the left one. I'm just going to take my pry tool. Oh, it popped right out. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Just unplug it. Oh, it's literally just plug and play, dude. Oh, yo. Oh my God. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty fucking cool. Holy shit. I installed it on the left side, on the driver's side. Look at that. Don't mind the car. I know it's dirty. Yo, that's cool. What the hell? I ended up swapping them, the left for the right, so that way when I open it, it's better. I think it's cooler like that. I did the other side already too. Let's see. That shit looks sick, yo. I think it looks cool. I don't really care if you guys don't like it, but I just wanted to share that and show you guys. But holy shit, that looks really cool. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you guys next time.